Hello, in this video, I'd like to show you my Charles Schwab Stock Portfolio brokerage account for the week of October 3rd, 2022. This stock portfolio account is made up of individual stocks that I picked to see how well it performs, to see if I can grow this account to $100,000 over time, and to learn how to become good at investing. So let's see how this brokerage account performed for the week of October 3rd. Finally, had a positive week. If you watch this channel, if you've been watching these videos and you subscribe to this channel, you know that for my time as an investor, the past few weeks have been some of the rockiest that I've ever experienced. I've never lost as much money as I have investing as I have these past couple weeks in mid to late September. But this week, we finally made some money. So my account gained $63.49 from October 3rd through October 7th, 2022. Now, this excludes any net contributions, which I did contribute some this week. And that's the differences you see here. Between the dotted line, that's the net contributions, and the actual value of my account. So I'm very pleased. It was rough. I mean, I think it was 3 weeks in a row that I lost money and lost, I think, the total account, like down, gosh, I can't remember, 12%, something like that, 12, 13% during the lifetime of this portfolio account. So the beginning value of this week was $2,800. I contributed $200 more from another account from my personal funds, added more money to this account. Even though it's been going down, I think it's a great time to buy. So I'm not concerned. I know it's temporary. These market fluctuations, you can't base everything on daily performance when it comes to long-term value investing. So I added $200 to my account, and the investments changed, so the account gained $63. So I was very pleased to end this week with a ending value of $3,000.70. So if you've been watching these videos, that has been one of the short-term goals, is to get this to $3,000. The way I was going before mid-September, I thought I could hit it probably the third week of September, getting this account balance above $3,000. But hey, I'm there nevertheless. I'm glad to see green again. Finally, green's my favorite color, and I'm glad to see green again. So that's the first short-term goal. The next short-term goal is $5,000 by the end of December 31st, 2022. It's always good to have goals, such as the $5,000 by the end of 2022 and the overall arching goal of $100,000, hopefully about in 5 years. That's pretty optimistic, I think, but that's what I'm going to shoot for. Now let's look at the rate of return. So during this week, October 3rd to October 7th, my account gained 2.27%. As you see by these lines here, the week started off great. The previous week ended horribly. It seemed like loss after loss. But October started off really good, went straight up, kind of peaked here October 4th, and then started to come back down again. October 7th wasn't too... This number would have been a lot better if it wasn't for Friday, October 7th. But I'm still pleased. Anytime I can make some money or get some money back and have a positive return, I'm very pleased. And these lines also indicate, as you see multiple lines, how I fared against the other common indexes. And so as you can visually see, I'm right there. My individual stock picking is right there with the other, for the most part, with the other common indexes. So my individual stock account, my rate of return is 2.27, which is the same as the Russell 2000. It's higher than the S&P 500, so I outperformed the S&P 500 with my stocks. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average was 2.03, better than that index, and I'm better than the NASDAQ, which didn't fare as well as these other indexes, including my individual Charles Schwab brokerage account portfolio. So little wins like this, and this is important. You know, you always want to celebrate little wins, especially after you had a bad few weeks of investing. I almost outperformed all of the common indexes with the stocks that I picked. Now, does that happen all the time? Historically, over time, am I going to lay claim to outperforming the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ or the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the Russell 2000? No, I probably not, right? But it does give me some confidence that, hey, I'm getting better at investing. I kind of are making wise decisions, good decisions, because my rate of return is almost as good as all of the indexes. I tied with the Russell 2000, who has been doing well, outperforming my individual stock account here for the past month or so that I can recall. But I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased on a number of fronts. One, my rate of return is in the positive again. I stopped losing money. Stopped hemorrhaging money in this account. Two, like I just said, I outperformed pretty much all the common indexes, so that gives me confidence. And above all, the bottom line, the whole reason you make or you invest, I would hope, is to make money, create some financial freedom in your life, or at least some options, have money work for you and not you working for money. So that pleases me that I've gained some money back in this account. I'm down historically. Usually if you watch this channel and these videos, you know that at the end of the month, I show you a monthly summary of the stock portfolio performance as well as the lifetime. So this account's only been around since June 8th, 2022. For the most part, it's been up. I've had a positive return until September, mid-September. And then it turned nasty. It started off a little low, then it did well for the most part from July to August to mid-September, then tanked in mid to late September, and now we're trying to work our way back. So I think I'm down 10, 11%, I think, for the lifetime of this portfolio account. But it's a long game. I'm in it for the long haul. I'm going to stay consistent. I'm going to make great decisions based on research and things that I firmly are committed to and believe in. And I know over time that we will be in the positive, and this account will have a positive return. Right now, it's tough in the United States. You always have this talk of recessions looming, and jobs report and interest rate reports coming out, the Federal Reserve raising interest rates, and all that is kind of affecting the market, but it's short term. So you just kind of weather the storm. We weathered the storm. That storm lasts for about 3 weeks. So this gives me a little hope, getting back $63.49 and having a 2.27% rate of return for the positive, and hanging with those common indexes, outperforming most and tying with another one. So I'm very happy. Hopefully this can continue through October and the rest of the year. Highly doubt that it will. I'm mentally and psychologically prepared for that, but it's okay. I'm going to keep contributing money. I'm going to keep making good decisions, buying good shares of stocks that I believe in, that I know in time will grow, that are undervalued or offering value when I buy those shares. And over time, it will increase their value. And that's the beauty of this channel, I think, documenting this journey of becoming good at investing, learning how to invest. I learn as I'm going. And if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, if you like this video and you click that notification bell, you can follow along too. You can learn from my mistakes, maybe some things I did right, don't do the things I did wrong, and ideally it can help you in your own personal financial freedom journey. All right, so if you like this video, hit the like button. If you hadn't already, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get the latest videos on how to make money, save money, invest money, how to make money work for you instead of you working for your money so you can live life on your own terms. All the best and take care.